Greetings, sir. Our topic for today would be antibiotic resistance in the One Health era, a synthesis of global burden mechanisms and policy responses. Introduction. Antibiotic resistance threatens modern medicine, causing millions of deaths annually with the greatest burden in low resource settings. Environmental pathway, wastewater, agriculture, biofilms, and COVID-19 disruptions in human and animal environment interfaces accelerate resistance spread. Coordinated in One Health strategies, including surveillance, stewardship, sanitation, agricultural regulation, and new therapeutics development. Without urgent action, routine infection and common procedures will become increasingly dangerous. Next would be the thesis statement. 1. What is the current global and regional burden of antibiotic resistance, bacterial infections, and which pathogens and settings contribute most to mortality and morbidity? Next would be what biological and environmental mechanism most strongly drive the emergence and disseminate their dissemination of antibiotic resistance, including biofilms, mobile genetic elements, and One Health pathways. Which environment based strategies, surveillance, stewardship, infection prevention, regulation, agriculture diagnostics, and therapeutic innovations are most likely to reduce MR burden and medium term? Conclusion. Antibiotic resistance causes millions of deaths annually with the highest burden in low and middle income regions, requiring targeted interventions and strengthened surveillance system. Resistance spreads through genetic mobility and antibiotic misuse and environmental reservoir wastewater agriculture, demanding a One Health approach beyond clinical stewardship alone. Multi-layered strategies combining stewardship and rapid diagnostics, infection prevention, environmental safeguards, and novel therapeutics can significantly reduce AMR morbidity and mortality. And that would be all, sir. And here would be our references. And thank you, sir.